Hey guys, Bryce from Trick Tools here, and today I'm going to give you guys a look at our U-weld English Wheel kit. So this kit gives you everything you need to build your own English wheel. It comes with all of the mechanical parts of the English wheel that's going to, once you build your frame and get it all welded up, you'll be able to get right to English wheeling and shaping your own panels. So to explain to you guys what it comes with here, for starters, you have the jack mechanism here for the English wheel that it comes with, that basically your bottom kick wheel will attach here, and as you kick that, that's what will move your lower anvils up. It comes with all the mechanisms in the same way that our prefabricated English wheels come, but basically we give you this kit because some people want to build their own frames in their own fashion, maybe build it to have a specific look, specific size, all that. Our instructions we do send with it. It's going to give you a materials list, cutting diagrams, and assembly instructions for building a 44F frame. So basically our big 44F fabricated machine, this is a 30F back here, so the 44F is a little bit deeper throat than that machine, but these instructions are going to give you what you need to be able to build that. And essentially, you know, we give you those, but then you can either take that, modify it, build it the way you want, and that's the beauty of this kit. So you get all 6 lower anvils here. These are all machined out of 4140 HT material, and same thing with the upper 8-inch, 3-inch wide wheel here. So you get the lower yoke here, and then the upper holder parts, like I said, the jack, the kick wheel, you get the caster wheels, the hardware, and some mounting plates for those caster wheels here. So like I said, it gives you everything you need to be able to build your English wheel the way you want it, or you can follow the instructions that we have here as far as building a 44F size machine. And then once you get it all assembled, there are some instructions for using and maintaining your English wheel here in these instructions. So yeah, this is our U-weld 44F kit. So check it out on our website, Trick-Tools.com. If you have any questions, give us a call. We can get those answered for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.